I'm Max Dalton, and in this video, I'll show you how to sort your X feed chronologically. Step 1. Open the X app on your mobile device or navigate to the website on your computer. In this example, I'll walk through this on my iPhone. Step 2. Look at the top of your home timeline where you will see two tabs labeled For You and Following. Step 3. Tap or click on the Following tab, and then tap or click it again to bring up a Sort Following menu. Select Most Recent. This instantly switches your feed to a chronological view, showing your post only from accounts you follow, starting with the most recent. Step 4. If you want to refine this further, you can tap your profile icon and select List. Step 5. Create a new list or select an existing one, and then tap the pin icon to add it to the top navigation bar on your home screen. Step 6. Swipe between your Following tab and your pinned list to see real-time updates from specific groups of people without any algorithmic interference. One thing to be aware of is that X tends to default back to the For You tab whenever you close and reopen the app after a long period. To keep your experience as chronological as possible, try to make a habit of checking which tab is highlighted at the top of your screen every time you start scrolling. If you find the Following tab is still missing certain posts, it might be due to your quality filter settings. You can adjust this filter by tapping your profile icon, tapping Settings and Privacy, then tapping Notifications, and finally Filters. Toggling off Quality Filter will ensure you see every single post from your followed accounts, even those the platform might otherwise flag as lower quality. Another great way to manage a chronological flow is to use the search function with the latest filter. If you are following a live event or a specific hashtag, entering that term into the search bar and then tapping the latest tab will give you a pure, real-time stream of every post mentioned. This is often faster and more accurate than relying on your home timeline during breaking news. Also, if you use a desktop browser, there are various third-party browser extensions available that can force the site to always stay on the Following tab, saving you the extra click every time you log in. Let me know if this video helped you out in the comments below. If you liked what you saw here, click the video links on the right side of the screen to check out another video. Or click the logo on the left side of the screen to check out my tutorial website at www.maxdalton.how.